Oh yeah, and also I need to go to Chick-fil-A first. Somebody gave me a couple of free sandwich coupons, so I'm gonna go there and do that. Okay, well, that doesn't look too bad. Be able to walk right in. Not going after me, are they? I did nothing wrong. All right, I don't want to go through a drive-through, so we're just going to come over here. And you know what? Let's just go right here. All right. Oh, time to get some food. What's up?
Can I ask what Action 4? What kind of video cam are you using?
Like this?
Yeah, like what brand? Because I used to use old GoPros. Is that like a new like?
This is DJI.
DJI?
Yeah,
Oh,
they actually connect with the wireless mics as well.
Oh, okay.
So it's like you don't need to use your phone and all that.
So
Yeah, I also do YouTube videos and Facebook videos. So check me out.
No kidding. All right. Hey, thanks, man.
Yeah. Yep. Thank you. All right. I got my Chick-fil-A. I got my Chick-fil-A. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I've had Chick-fil-A. I think once, just once, and it wasn't even like something that I chose. I don't know, just because it was like it was given to me because it was a free sandwich or something.